Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add fillable line in Microsoft Word using three methods. Fillable line shows you that there is need information to fill and it's good for printing. For example, in method 1 I use shapes. From insert, bring shapes, select line, determine location. For example, I put here, then hold shift. You see, it gives you angle 0, angle 45, angle 90, angle 180. It gives you horizontal line. For example, the length is up to you. Good. For example, I need this length. If you want to change its property, just select it, and from here, select the line with this or the line color you want. For example, I select this color. Even you can make its thickness higher, this thickness, it's up to you. You see how it changes? Good. And its color, for example, this color or this one, I select this color. That's the first method. Now you can write name over it. For example, ENG-School. Okay, if you want to change this thickness, length, just select it, hold shift and change its length up to yourself. But it's good for printing. Second method, to add fillable line, just hold shift and minus. You see, the length is up to you, up to yourself. It has this problem. For example, if you want to write in Word, for example, 0, 7, 500 and so on, you see it creates a gap. To solve this one, use method 3. How we can use method 3? Just, for example, stage 4. Just select it, then Control Shift and U. Directly it gives you a fillable line, or delete it, then Control Shift U, then Tab. Sorry, Control Shift U and Tab. That is the third method. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.